In this video, we will show you how to assign custom functions to the IBX boxes. Press the emergency stop button on the bars mode selector switch. Go to Hardware Programming. A page for custom assignment will appear. At the top of the page, you will see the different boxes that are linked together. Select the corresponding box that you want to assign. Now select the specific button you want to assign. All available functions that can be selected will appear. Choose your desired function and confirm your selection with the green checkmark. Once you have finished assigning the box, confirm your selection again with the green checkmark. The box will be updated and receive the new assignment. To activate the machine, return to the main page. Unlock the emergency stop and press the green button on the bars. The machine is ready for operation when the button lights up green. Wishing you much success this season.